Once upon a time, in a vast and beautiful savannah, lived a young giraffe named Timmy. Timmy was not like the other giraffes. He was taller than any giraffe anyone had ever seen. One day, Timmy felt a little sad because he was so tall. He thought his height was a burden, and he wished to be like the other giraffes. As Timmy wandered through the savannah, he met an old and wise owl named Oliver. Oliver saw Timmy's sad face and asked, "Why so glum, my friend?" Timmy explained his worry about being too tall. Oliver smiled and said, "Everyone is unique, Timmy. Your height is not a burden, but a gift. You can see the world from a perspective no one else can." Inspired by Oliver's words, Timmy returned to the herd. He met a young gazelle who was lost. With his tall height, Timmy was able to spot the gazelle's family from afar and help her find her way home. From that day on, Timmy was no longer sad about being tall. He realized that his unique height was a special gift, and he used it to help others. Timmy the tall giraffe became a hero in the savannah, and his story was told for generations to come. The end.